Emma, do you have to sneeze? Big sneeze.
A big sneeze. God bless you.
Bless you.
That was a big sneeze. Oh my gosh. Here, you need a Kleenex to wipe yourself. There, that sneeze. All done? Good job. God bless you.